Launching a new group of value-minded workhorses. And we made the ultimate hunting vehicle, the Ranger XP, even better.
Yeah.
Heading up a new team of hard-working hunting machines. From the #1 maker of ATVs and side-by-sides, Polaris. Hardest working, smoothest riding.
When a job calls for more muscle than a drill, Craftsman impact drivers answer the call, delivering over 3,000 impacts per minute, giving you greater torque for greater force to power through the toughest
Taking his
jobs.
picture.
Craftsman, trust.
I'm videotaping him.
This spring, get more mileage out of your travel plans with $50 in free gas. Stay 2 separate times at Comfort Inn or any of these choice hotels, and you can earn a free $50 gas card. Book now only at choicehotels.com.
These guys will get you on track so you
that's
can
good.
get it done right. It's how to at its
How many
best.
cars do you think you
That's
can garage?
All new tonight at 8 only on DIY Network.
Side table? A few days ago, licensed contractor Josh Temple desperately wanted someone to